Yo guys, what's up? So if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how you can play with your friends on Battlefront 2. So I will explain how to do that right now. So first you need to go to your options, then select EA account, and then make sure all of your friends have the same server here. If you do not have the same server, then make sure you tell your friends to select the server you have, like Ireland, and then all of your friends have to select Ireland. But I'm gonna keep it on United States because it has the lowest MS for me. Alright, exit out and go to play. I would recommend Heroes and Villains Hero Showdown if you're with 4 friends or 2 friends, or yeah, somewhere in between 1 and 4. But if you're somewhere in between 1 and 8, then you can play Heroes and Villains or even other game modes. Then what you should do is you should press Hero Showdown, and once you press it, as you can see right here, it's looking for a match, and as it finds a match, it will show the location here. So you tell all of your friends, yo, my game has found Tatooine or Naboo, like here. And if your other friends also have Naboo, then you're probably in the same lobby. But if you don't have the same map, then make sure to cancel it and count again, alright? Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Press the like button and the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell button if you would like to get notifications when I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.